Hey, what's going on, guys? Out here doing some location scouting. I'm finally getting past the cold. That's why I'm a little don't sound like the way I usually do. But no, it's a chilly December day. Figured with this movie I want to start doing have a behind the scenes thing and making of, because I always found those real entertaining and insightful, you know, seeing how other people do it. So like I said, we're here in West Alton at the West Alton Sawmill. So I was really lucky to find this location. The owner, he seems like a pretty cool guy and stuff. He said go ahead and check it out. So why don't you say we go do that. No, I'm telling you, I haven't looked inside yet, but there's a lot of real estate here. It's a little tricky getting to, but I'm telling you, this is exactly what I was looking for with the movie. So I don't know, I think there's a lot of cool stuff that could happen out here, you know. So I'm gonna start looking over there in that haunted area, and we're going to see what's that all about too. So let's go check it out. Oh my God, this would be really cool. I'd probably put tarps down on the couches and stuff. But you can't tell me this wouldn't be a cool place for a scene. Yeah, I think I'm going to write this as the new opening. I'd probably put that fire pit in the middle there. Can have them talking or waiting to go inside. So I can already tell you right now, even looking at the opening, it's really, it's giving me an idea how to change, walking over here, it's giving me an idea how to change the opening. With that, that solves a lot of problems, I'm telling you. So now we're here in the spooky part. Oh, they're intestines. I'm scared. So, what else do we got here? That fucking scared me. So it seems behind me, this door's locked. But right here, that's good. That made me jump. I wasn't expecting that. So, no, I'm telling you, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I'm completely sold by it. I just looking around the area, like, this is exactly what I was looking for. Someplace. Oh my God! And there's another fucking place over there. No, honestly, some more intestines. So, no, you know, like, this part's pretty. I cannot tell you how happy I am with this. Walking through this area really reminds me of on Silver Bullet, whenever that drunk dad gets killed in the greenery and stuff, and there's that long area. I mean, I'm just flabbergasted that this place is not, more people aren't reaching out to the owners to use this place. Oh, that's cool. I'm telling you, like this is giving me way too many ideas, and it's I'm lost. You know, it's middle of daytime, not even Halloween. I'm lost out here. I'm still fucking scared. So, let's see. God damn, I mean, I'm telling you, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing out here. So yeah, that's the West Alton Sawmill. I'm telling you, I'm sorry, I am just completely tickled pink that there's a location like this that's relatively close, like between St. Louis and Illinois, southern Illinois, where actors and the crew can all meet. You know, it seems like it's fairly secluded. You know, I'm out here in the middle. It's like I'm in the middle of nowhere, but I'm not in the middle of nowhere, if that makes any sense. Because I can still hear traffic and stuff, but, you know, it's not a public park. You're not going to have people walking through every 5 fucking minutes, ruining your shots and stuff. I mean, it seems like it's controlled. You know, that's what I think that's what I like most about it. It seems like it's really a controlled environment. Other than, you know, with the weather, that's one thing, like with the trail. But I think to me, that's the worst part about making movies, is when you got to deal with people that aren't making movies, and general public sucks. Making movies, serving them, that's a fucking nightmare. So like I said, this is the West Alton Sawmill. They always have a spooky, haunted trail during October, so hey, if you like this, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and do all that jazz, and hopefully we'll be making something worthwhile pretty soon. So hey, stay safe.